Well, tonight, tensions were high between Charlotte's mayor and city council members. The controversy surrounds the mayor's racial equity initiative and what some say is her lack of transparency when pushing the plans through. A Fox 46 chief political correspondent Emma Withrow joins us live tonight from the Government Center to break it all down. Emma.
That's right, guys. Well, the mayor apologized to the council tonight for not making them aware of her racial equity initiative announcement earlier. But some of the council members are saying she should be apologizing for not filling them in on the $72 million taxpayer dollars that she pledged for this initiative that none of the council was even aware of.
Tonight is about us figuring out exactly how we were misled and potentially lied to in some parts, and what laws and protocols were broken to get us to this point so we never repeat these mistakes before.
The meeting started out with an update presentation on the mayor's racial equity initiative. The initiative is a public-private partnership that plans to spend $250 million to address inequities in our community.
We're all supportive of racial equity and improving the community. 85 in Sugar Creek is one of those I've been fighting for. So I'm excited and support the project. It's the process.
The process Councilmember Johnson is referring to is the planning stage of the mayor's racial equity initiative, which the majority of the council says they weren't involved in.
And we want to figure out how this council was positioned, was managed, was misled in our part of $72 million taxpayer dollars that we were elected to be accountable for. So the reality today is we still have no actual idea what the plans are for this money.
Millions of the dollars Mayor Lyles pledged for her initiative were ARPA funds, which were meant to be used for COVID relief. Congressman Ted Budd caught wind of the mayor's initiative and wrote her a letter asking for answers on this spending of federal funds. Councilman Braxton Winston is more concerned with the equity aspect of this plan.
Since council has not adopted an equity policy or a lens to support efforts like the corridors of opportunity, but are selling our work as racial equity work, now I fear that there will be a delta or a gap of what is actualized after investments are actually made.
The council did seem a bit confused even at the end of the discussion in tonight's meeting on what comes next in terms of the mayor's racial equity initiative. The city attorney did say that there should be another vote to approve these funds. And this time around, the council will be aware of where they're voting to approve these funds and where they're going to be going. But for now, live at the Government Center, Emma Withrow, Fox 46.
All right, Emma, thank you.